Training LLC. I am also a 2008 Ferris State University graduate. Fun fact of something interesting that happened to me while attending Ferris, I had a great rapport with the administrative staff on campus, and they all wanted me to come work for them. So I worked in the maintenance office. I was a classroom cleaner and apartment cleaner. I also worked in the Office of Multicultural Student Services. I was a student assistant for 2 years. I also worked for the University of Recreation. I was a student manager. And then I also worked for the housing office. I was a camp counselor and apartment manager as well. Let's just say I didn't have any problem finding a job. So today, I will be going over a tennis ball workout with you, which focuses on dexterity, reaction, and distraction. So I will be doing 4 types of exercises with you. The first one we will do is a toss and snatch. Underhand, the tennis ball, you will hold the tennis ball underhanded, and you will go overhand when you snatch it. So you'll toss it and snatch it. Anytime you're doing tennis ball work or any stationary work, your feet should be wider than your shoulders, your butt should be down, and your chest should be over the ball. So what I'm going to do is start dribbling the ball. If you paid attention, one of the things that I did, I made sure I kept my eyes on the tennis ball the entire time. That is the distraction from looking at the basketball, and the reaction is focusing on the tennis ball, making it become your defense. The second exercise I will be doing with you is called a throwdown. I will be throwing the ball down and catching it. I'm going to dribble the ball as fast as I can. I'm going to throw the tennis ball down and catch it as fast as I can. I'm going to make sure my hand is flat to the ground at all times. So when the ball comes up, I'm not going to open my hand, but I'm going to keep my hand flat to the ground, and I'm just going to grip it as it comes into my hand. So again, nice wide feet, level feet, meaning straight line from foot to foot, butt down. As you can see, I kept my eyes on the tennis ball. I never looked at the basketball. And it became my defense, reaction, distraction, and dexterity. Okay, for the third exercise, we will be doing crossovers. So there's a modified version and there's an advanced version. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw the ball up, let the ball hit the ground one time, and snatch it after we do our crossover. Okay, we're not gonna throw the balls towards each other because this is a common mistake people make when they're doing this drill. So I will dribble the ball, I'm going to throw it up, let it hit the ground, and catch the ball. If I have to step to the ball, that is fine. This is the modified version. I want to do this as fast as I can. I want to keep my eye on the tennis ball. Okay, the advanced version is the tennis ball does not touch the ground at all anymore, okay? So I keep my eyes on it. And that is the advanced version. As you get better and better, you'll be able to catch the ball in the air, and your crossover will speed up. Fourth and final exercise, we'll be going through the legs. Again, there is a modified version and there's an advanced version. So, similar to crossing over, we're going to throw the ball up and let it hit the ground. We're going to do our move, and then we're going to catch the tennis ball. So we'll start by pounding the ball as hard as we can. That's the modified version. Okay, now the advanced version is the tennis ball don't touch the ground. That's the advanced version. Again, I'm keeping my eyes on the tennis ball at all times. I'm trying to do the move as fast as I can. So now, if you want to challenge yourself, you'll put all the moves together and do them all 2 times. We call this drill 2s. So once we go over every single exercise, What we do is we do every single one 2 times non-stop. I'll demonstrate it for you. That drill is called twos. Okay, so if you're interested in getting your ball handling better, a simple tennis ball can help that out. It will help you with your dexterity, your reaction, and your distraction. What I found is a lot of my athletes become very fluent with both hands because they are forced to use both hands by using the tennis ball. Great job today, guys. See you later.